Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Vehicular Overdrive. My name is John and today we're working again on the Prius. So you guys might be wondering, why am I sitting in the back of the Prius? It's because today we're going to be doing something that every Prius owner should be doing every about, I'd say 60 to 80,000 miles. And that is cleaning out the fan. So the battery fan is what cools the batteries down. It's what brings in air from the interior cabin, runs it over the batteries, and pushes it outside. The problem is, if you have pets, live in a dusty environment, the fan can get clogged up, and so it becomes less efficient. Your batteries get hot, they die quicker. So today we're gonna clean that fan out and make sure that our new batteries aren't impacted by the lack of efficiency of a dirty fan. Also, we're gonna replace one of the headlight bulbs. Her passenger side bulb went out, so we're gonna take the front bumper off and get that replaced too. So let's get started. All right guys, so first things first, we gotta rip apart this interior. You guys have seen it many times, so I'm just gonna put you on time lapse. Alright guys, so now that I have the interior out, we can see where the fan is, and if you guys wanted to know how to take the interior out, go check out my other video when I first did the battery on this thing. I actually still have a lot of the interior not fully assembled, just because I'm be doing a lot of work on this thing. So but here you can see the fan and the whole assembly. The air comes in here from inside the car, gets sucked in by the fan, blown over the battery, and then back out the back of the car. So the fan is here. There's a couple bolts we need to get to take it off. They're all 10 mils, and should be fairly simple to get it off of there. Okay guys, so first things first, we're going to move the exhaust for the fan, which is this little piece right here. And then there's 3 bolts that actually hold the fan on. If you can see, there's one right there, one up there on the top, and then one behind this piece. It's kind of down there if you can see it. So we're gonna get that piece, this thing taken off, and then the bolts, and we can see if we can get this fan out. Okay guys, so taking this thing out, I'm gonna push forward towards the battery, and we can take it off the fan, pull it back, and take it out. And there's this little clip right here. You can get that thing off, and that piece comes out. Alright, now that we have our fan on our nice workstation here, we can open her up and get her cleaned up. Okay guys, so I have some compressed air, and we're gonna clean this thing out. this little can of compressed air will get it all off, but I think I'm gonna have to get some water in there and get the rest of it to get it totally cleaned up. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after I've gotten it all cleaned up. We're going to put it back together. The LCD, a little bit of LCD, Q-tip will work really well to get inside all the blades and get it cleaned up. But yeah, let's get this thing back in the car. Alright guys, so everything's all put back together. The fan is clean, and just gotta throw the interior back together, and she's ready to go. Alright guys, so that's how you clean the fan on your Prius. Now if you live in a dusty environment or have pets that have fur that is really loose, it can get caught in that fan and stop it from spinning. So make sure you check it out every once in a while and get it cleaned up. I'm going to cut the video short here, actually do the headlight in another video, but I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more stuff, and I'll see you next time. Peace.